Okay, we're back with another video. Forgive the not unboxing everything for here. I did film it, but then I accidentally deleted that footage. So yeah, that's great. Anyways, I ordered a backrest from T-Rex Racing, and it got here. So this is what you get in the package. All the hardware you need. Actual backrest itself and the thing is pretty damn hefty. Pretty good quality, seems like. Oh, heavy. And a couple plates, and then the support bracket, and then your instructions, like normal. So let's go see if this will fit with the Corbin seat. Okay, found the 6mm. And we gotta break that loose. And of course I drop it. There we go. Okay, so I just had to look up bolts and everything. So this should be the 45mm M8. We have two, so I guess they are meant to go in the side, which is stupid. Ugh. But I guess it makes sense because you put them in a freaking spacer. So I guess it's like this, essentially, for the spacer. So I guess we'll try it. Alright, and then from this, I need to take out this bolt, which is 6mm. Stay here, paper. Stay there. So this I'm gonna have to loosen up these so I can fit this on there, but I'm fucking scratching up paint. Okay, from what I can see, you know, obviously this is going in here and going to be sitting there. I do not see a way to use a 12mm spacer that they say in here for this, especially if the bracket is supposed to always be on top. And they say to use the 8mm if you have their seat installed. But again, I don't. I don't see a way. Oh, god damn it. To get this up far enough to even put an 8mm in there. So this, I think, is just going to get screwed straight in for now. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't see a way to get either of those spacers in there. Like, it just will not fit. Unless I'm doing something wrong, but we'll see. Oh, come on, don't get tired on me. You stupid bolt. That is like as tight as it'll go. So, yeah. We need to do something then, because that won't screw in all the way. So we have to use a spacer, but I can't get the damn thing on. Is it? Oh, that would explain it. There's, well, something on there that goes around that I guess comes off. Okay. Huh. So now this still doesn't fit on here. So it's supposed to be like this and sit on there, but it makes no freaking sense how you get it in, because there's not enough room between the fender and this bar to get this in. So what the hell? Well, it's not the way they say to do it, but for right now this is going on top of the bar, because that's the only way I see to being able to get this in. Because there's just not enough space under this to get it. Okay, I just went back and put the washers in on these. And now we have these in the right spot to screw these in. Just get everything lightly in for right now. We'll tighten up and everything. So now we really just got to worry about this. That is where we're gonna have issues. If I put it on the farthest back one, it looks like it'll fit. So I need just enough for it to hold in. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see right here. This is bumping into the seat a lot in the rearmost position. So I think we are going to need a bit of modification here, because this needs to sit up just like there. Which means I would need to get some kind of bracket that would fit in here and let this sit up higher, because it needs to be just a bit more for the Corbin seat. Okay, we're back with trying to install the backrest. And so what I've done, give a quick look here, was just trying to test fitting stuff earlier, but had a couple pieces of metal cut out to get a spacer, essentially. So I think this will hopefully give it enough height to get over the seat here. Oh yeah, it's just a piece of aluminum. If it works, I'll end up painting it black so it doesn't look complete, or like complete shit, but yeah. Alright, now since I was having issue with the provided spacer from T-Rex, I couldn't fit the bar. I couldn't fit this bar in here with a spacer under it because it just did not fit. So what I'm trying is printed out a little spacer, a 5mm one, and that seems, well, if I could get it on there. Yeah, I'm not sure why the 8mm spacer that they provided didn't work. I guess this is either up or this got bent down, something. I don't know, but it didn't work, so I printed out a 5mm one. And that is looking like it's giving me plenty of room. Yeah. Okay. So I'll take these bolts off. And put in one of these. I was like, this is not gonna line up. Okay, come on. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now to the other side. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna see if this will fit up high enough, and it looks like it is. I gotta get some bolts in here to oh, come on. Of course, oh shit. Well, that just dented the fender. Okay, update. I've got everything in now. So they'll fit. I just had to widen out this hole just a little bit with a circular file. Took 20 seconds maybe, you know, and it fits right in. Same with the back side, fits right in. I did find that I had to go on the inside of this bracket, on the outside of that one to make it really fit, or else it was pinching in too much. But still, it needs to bend a little bit. You can see there, you know, so. For the backs of these, I do have some nuts to go on the back to keep these secure, but I will be putting those on a little later because I'm going to take this off and paint them black because I don't like how it looks silver. Okay, so quick update on the backrest. As you see, I have it all put together now, and got the bracket painted black. I moved it forward one space so everything would be in alignment, because it was a little too far back for me on the very far back one, which is surprising. See the other side. Yeah. All in all, I think it'd be very nice on a long trip. I don't think I will keep it on full time because that's not really the look I really want to go for, you know. I love the look of just the solo seat and nothing else with a fender at the back. But for utility stuff, you know, I'll put it on and then take it off as needed. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.